Welcome back to Learning with our Friends. News headlines in English for 15th of April. And first of all, national news. Poll body is trying to increase voter turnout in politically crucial UP. Amid conflict with Iran, Israeli envoy assured safety of Indian workers. Second batch of Indian military personnel left country, Maldives president. Fire broke out in hostel building in Rajasthan's Kota, 8 students injured. End of opium poppy cultivation in Manipur soon. Modi ki guarantee for youth, women, farmers. BJP highlighted manifesto. 1,11,111 kg laddus to be sent to Ayodhya temple as prasad for Ram Navami. Air India on Sunday decided to temporarily suspend flights to Tel Aviv amid escalating tensions between Israel and Iran. Now, international news. Iran Israel tensions, British jet countered Iranian attack drones. Second batch of Indian military personnel left Maldives, President Moizu. Israel said Iran launched more than 300 drones and missiles, 99% of which were intercepted. Jordan to temporarily close airspace, state media said. Iran president warned of stronger response if Israel retaliates to attack. Now some sports news. D. Gukesh beat Vidit Gujarati to regain joint lead in candidates chess tournament. 2036 Olympics bid found mention in BJP election manifesto. Great deal of joy. Rafael Nadal returned to action in Barcelona. Business related news. Government asked all gas based plants to be operational from May 1st to June 30. Drinks, beverage brands to lose health tag in e retail. Middle East tensions. Air India Vistara opt for alternative flight paths for certain overseas flights. Science related news. Solved mystery of ultra bright explosion created bigger puzzles, a report said. Indian scientists design material that removes microplastic from water. And that's all in news. Thank you.